Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring alphabets, capital letter alphabets. Black color, red color, yellow color, blue color, white color, and the last one is green color. So kids, now we coloring alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So kids, now we coloring the capital letter. Kids, today we coloring capital letter alphabets, and first we use red color. Now we are draw the letter of A. A for apple. A for apple. Kids, the next one is B. B for ball. B for ball. So kids, the next one is C. C for cat. C for cat. Kids, the next one is D. D for dog, and we use yellow color. Kids, now we use yellow color. D for dog. D for dog. D for doll. Now we coloring E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Kids, the next one is F. F for fish. F for fish. Kids, the next one is G. G for goat. G for goat. Kids, now we coloring H. H for hand, and we using green color. So kids, now we use green color and draw H. The next one is I. I for ice cream. Kids, now we coloring the letter of J. J for jackfruit, and we use white color. Kids, the next one is K. K for kite. K for kite. Now we coloring L. L for lion. Kids, now we use black color. L for lion. And now M. M for moon. M for moon. Kids, now we coloring N. N for nest, and we using blue color. Kids, the next one is O. O for orange. O for orange. The next one is P. P for penguin. P for penguin. Kids, the next one is Q. Q for queen, and we use red color. Now we coloring R. R for rose. R for rose. Kids, the next one is S. S for sun. Now we use again yellow color. And now T. T for teacher. T for teacher. Kids, now we coloring U. U for umbrella. So kids, now we coloring the letter of V. V for van. Kids, now we use green color and draw V. The next one is W. W for wolf. So kids, the next one is X. X for X-ray. Now we use black color. X for X-ray, and we use black color. Kids, the next one is Y. Y for yolk. Y for yolk. Kids, the next one is Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. And we again use black color. So kids, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.